Have you ever wondered why autumn is so spectacularly colorful? Why do the lush green trees of summer suddenly burst into brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow before shedding their leaves completely? It's a beautiful, almost magical process, but there's some amazing science behind it. Let's dive into the secret life of trees and uncover why leaves fall in autumn. First, we need to understand what leaves do for a tree. Think of them as tiny solar-powered food factories. Throughout the spring and summer, leaves are packed with a green pigment called chlorophyll. This is the key ingredient for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and uses its energy to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugars, which are the tree's food. This process is what keeps the tree growing and healthy. The reason leaves are green is because chlorophyll is so abundant that it masks all the other colors that are also present in the leaf. So, what changes in autumn? The two main triggers are shorter days and cooler temperatures. As the days get shorter and there's less sunlight, trees get the signal that winter is coming. Winter is a tough time for trees. The ground freezes, making it hard to get water, and the cold temperatures can damage delicate leaf tissues. Continuing to run all those leafy food factories would be a huge waste of energy and water. So, the tree decides it is time to shut down production for the season and prepare for the long winter nap. The first step in this shutdown process is to stop making chlorophyll. As the green chlorophyll breaks down and fades away, the other colors that were hidden in the leaves all along finally get their moment to shine. This is where we get those stunning autumn colors. The yellow and orange pigments, called carotenoids, are always there in the leaf, but they are usually overshadowed by the green chlorophyll. You might recognize that name, carotenoid, because it's the same pigment that makes carrots orange. But what about the brilliant reds and purples? Those colors come from pigments called anthocyanins. Unlike the yellows and oranges, these are not always present. They are newly created in the leaves during autumn. Sunny days and cool nights are the perfect recipe for bright red leaves. The sunny days allow the leaves to produce a lot of sugar, but the cool nights prevent that sugar from traveling out of the leaves and into the rest of the tree. The trapped sugar reacts with other chemicals to produce those vibrant red and purple anthocyanins. This is why the intensity of autumn colors can vary so much from year to year. A season with lots of sunny days and crisp, cool nights will give us a much more spectacular color show. Now for the final act. The fall. Once the tree has finished reabsorbing all the valuable nutrients it can from its leaves, it's time to let them go. At the base of each leaf stalk, where it connects to the branch, the tree starts to grow a special layer of cells called the abscission layer. This layer acts like a natural pair of scissors, slowly cutting the leaf off from the tree. It seals the wound on the branch to protect the tree from diseases and water loss during the winter. Eventually, this connection becomes so weak that a gentle breeze or even the leaf's own weight is enough to make it detach and drift to the ground. By shedding its leaves, the tree is making a smart survival decision. It conserves precious water and energy, avoids damage from winter storms and heavy snow, and prepares itself to burst back to life in the spring. And what about all those fallen leaves? They aren't wasted. As they decompose, they return valuable nutrients to the soil, fertilizing the tree and supporting the entire forest ecosystem. So, the next time you're out walking on a crisp autumn day, surrounded by a carpet of colorful leaves, you'll know the incredible science story behind it all. It's a beautiful and brilliant strategy for survival. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the science of autumn, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more curious content. See you next time.